Large meeting rooms usually mean complex setups with complicated installations. Our customers kept on asking this question: can you make large rooms simpler? And that's exactly what we've done. For large spaces, everything starts with NeatBar Pro or NeatBoard Pro. Their dual camera systems deliver wide-angle coverage and extended zoom, making sure everyone is clearly seen. Then, we added Neat Center to extend audio and video capabilities with its 360-degree camera system and 16 microphone array. And now, we've enabled support for not just one, but 2 Neat Centers. The experience starts with Neat Symmetry, which uses machine learning to frame each person individually, giving remote participants a closer view of people in the meeting space. And now with 2 Neat Centers working alongside NeatBar Pro in this room, we can extend a front-facing experience across larger meeting spaces for remote meeting participants. First, let's turn on individual framing. All right. So as you can see here, we start with the attention towards the front of the room, as if we were talking to someone on the far end of a video meeting. Now, if I turn around, you'll still see me, but this time I'm getting picked up by the Neat Center closest to me.
Or if others shift their attention to the back of the room, the people on the far end will retain their front-facing view of people in the room.
And all 3 camera systems are working together to identify the optimal angle of each individual in this room. And then it intelligently frames everyone continuously to deliver the best view of each person. And that's what you can expect with the dual Neat Center experience. Now, for meetings with a lot of people where the conversation moves fast, it can be tough for remote attendees to follow who's speaking. And that's why we introduced speaker framing. When speaker framing is enabled, the system highlights the active speaker, making it easier to follow the conversation in real time. Watch what happens here as I'm displayed as the active speaker. Now, when someone else starts talking, the system will shift to highlight them.
That's right. After I begin to speak, the tracking microphones in the Neat devices will pick me up. And you will see me highlighted as well. No switching needed.
Another benefit is that speaker framing lets you move around freely. Let me show you how. Now, as I talk to the front of the room, you're seeing the view from the NeatBar Pro. And as I shift to the middle of the room, the first Neat Center is providing a front-facing view. And then as I shift to the back of the room, the second Neat Center will frame me. Pretty cool, right? Now, it's like having multiple camera operators in the same room, switching automatically. Even if my back is turned to the front camera, the remote attendee will still have a clear direct view of me instead of my back or me being out of the frame. And with Neat's advanced audio technology that enhances audio for vocal pickup and suppresses unwanted noises, everyone can be heard clearly. Together, these innovations deliver an engaging large room experience without the large room complexity. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website, neat.no.